Are you looking for an affordable and simple mirrorless camera? Alright, in this video, I will show you the best affordable and simple mirrorless cameras based on my personal opinion and hours of research. As always, if you would like more information and updated pricing on the products in this video, be sure to check out all links in the description down below. On number 3, we've got the Sony A6000. With a very capable autofocus system that blends 179 phase detect AF points and 25 contrast detect points together with 11 FPS burst shooting with focus tracking, the camera is a particularly good option for anyone shooting action. Although the 24MP APS-C sensor, high-resolution OLED viewfinder, tilting LCD screen, and both Wi-Fi and NFC means that it holds masses of appeal for those shooting in other genres. What you don't get is 4K video capability or Sony's latest high-tech IAF subject tracking technologies. But if your main interest is still photographing, this is a serious enthusiast camera at a cheap beginner camera price. Then on number 2, we've got the Panasonic Lumix G100. Vloggers and creatives more broadly will enjoy the simplicity of this Lumix G100. It makes it easy to capture high quality video and stills with its approachable button layout. Even people uninterested in the technologies of capturing great looking videos will be able to get results with this camera. There's an inherent risk of dumbing things down too much when creating a camera for social media creatives, but Panasonic has avoided that pitfall with the Lumix G100. By giving it a decent viewfinder and proper camera ergonomics, Panasonic has given the G100 an edge in a highly competitive market. This is a great camera to start with if you're more interested in vlogging than regular photography and useful step up from the GX80 or 85 both on resolution and video features. And then on number 1, we've got the Panasonic Lumix GX80. The diminutive GX85 is really easy for novices but has a surprising number of more advanced features for enthusiasts. Known as the GX80 outside North America, the built-in electronic viewfinder makes it a great option for using in harsh sunlight or darkened conditions, while the tilting screen makes it easy to shoot from ground levels as well. Together with the Panasonic's tiny micro four thirds lenses, this makes it a great choice for traveling or holidays. This is the best mirrorless camera right now for budget-conscious bargain hunters who want all the mod cons including 4K video. This camera will come with 4K video recording, an electronic viewfinder, 60 megapixels, and it has a restricted tilt screen range. But with all of that being said, this is definitely the best option for you. And that's it for this video. As always, I'll leave links to all of the products in this video in the description down below, so make sure you go check that out for updated information and pricing. Please consider leaving a like on the video, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.